Welcome to Pioneer. We're so happy to have you as a customer. The question we'd like to answer right now is, why does Pioneer require a sales tax exemption form? Well, the reason is simple. This gives you the right to purchase at wholesale from Pioneer Wholesale, and it means that we do not have to charge you sales tax on the purchase. Some wonder, is this a vendor's license? And the answer is no. A vendor's license is what gives you the right to go into business in your state, collect sales tax, and then send that into the state. A sales tax exemption license or number, form, is the form that gives you the right to buy from us without paying sales tax. And it enables the proper wholesale process transaction to occur. The vendor's license that you purchase is sometimes called a seller's license in some states, or it may be called something even different in your own state. What we're asking for is not a vendor's license. It's not a EIN number. EIN number is a employer identification number issued by the United States government. That's for paying payroll taxes. It is not a workers' comp number, nor is it a social security number, nor a driver's license. Your vendor's license number is a separate number that gives you the right to be in business in your particular state. So we need a tax exempt form, which gives you the right to buy without paying sales tax. So this is a simple form. We provide them on our website. You can go to our website and you can download the correct form, fill it out. It's a simple form. It simply has your name and address, our name and address. You fill in your number from your seller's permit or your vendor's license. That establishes you as a proper vendor, and you then sign it, date it, and get it back to us. And it's just that simple. It's really a very simple process. Some wonder, well, why do we need to do that now? I've bought from Pioneer for many, many years, and I haven't needed to do this. Well, it's necessary now because there are new cross-state sales tax laws that enable different states to require people selling into their state to collect sales tax. Since you are an established business, we assume that you are, you will not need to pay a sales tax, and you need to prove exemption from doing that. Some will say, well, no one else requires me to do this, and I do business with lots of companies. Well, maybe they're not up to speed as to what the laws are at this point. We don't know. That's their particular situation, whatever they choose to do. We choose to do business legally, and we want you to do business legally also. If you need help in filling out this form, give us a call or feel free to email us. We'll be more than happy to give you the necessary assistance, walk you through the process, and make it very easy to get you fully set up with Pioneer Imports. Thanks.